It comes in different sizes. Sometimes it drip a lot, and when someone blow it, it feels good. What? Wagwan Arena Nation, as you can see again with the on the streets again. I know say it's another tricky interview. What I want you to do, I want you to answer the question them before you literally hear the answer in the video. So I want you to comment down below before you get the answer. So now if you're not subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe. You know, turn on the notification bell, tell a friend, you know, just share it up. Just share up the thing, man. Yeah. What's your name?
Ryan, bro.
Devontae.
I'm Dean Vassal.
Jamaica.
Daniel Henry.
Alright, so the first one is I go in hard and dry, but when I come out, I'm soft and wet. What am I?
Alright, going hard and dry.
Yeah.
Come on, soft and wet. Alright. Alright, going hard. Hold on. Do you know the one that looks sticky?
You say it looks sticky.
Alright. Alright, going hard
Yeah.
and dry.
Yeah.
Come on, soft and wet.
Yeah.
Sponge.
Ice.
Ice come back out wet and soft. Think again. Remember, think about it, you know.
Alright.
No, no, take camera, man.
Pass.
Really,
Yeah, you didn't even think about
This
it.
make me feel like me don't know nothing at all.
No, you think about it, man.
Alright.
Yeah. What going what?
Hard and dry, but come back out soft and wet.
Yo, yeah.
Yeah.
Alright. Oh, I check it. Yo, answer it for you, but we can't go around right now. That's all.
You can always pass it up.
Yo, boss over there, we can't answer over there.
I'm going hard and dry and come out soft and wet. Pass.
Think about it, man.
Pass, me give up.
What you put in hard and dry, but when you take it back out, it's wet and soft.
How to put in hard and dry. I'll pass that one.
Sponge still soft when you go in.
Alright, me I
So
think.
try again.
Alright. Obviously, I couldn't think of me. I think about like a negative thing.
You don't know.
Alright, so Brian, let's try. Wait, pause man on, pause man on.
What I put in hard and dry and come back out soft and wet. You know, see a bubble gum.
What?
Bubble gum. When you eat a bubble gum, it's hard, huh? And it dry.
Okay.
And when you take it out, it's soft and wet. What come in different sizes, drip sometimes, and feels good when they blow it.
Alright. I'm gonna say ice with that one there again.
Ice, how comes the ice? You can blow ice? You blow ice?
Well, yeah, if I melt it in some instances, you know.
Oh, okay, I get what you're saying. So that's your final answer?
Alright, repeat the question.
Okay. I come in different sizes, I drip a lot, and sometimes when you blow me, I feel nice.
Yeah, may I stick with ice.
Stop it. Get some help.
Yo, John, that's like that question. Alright. Yo, Miss Rita, that more easier. But repeat the question again.
Okay, so I come in different sizes. You understand? I come in different sizes and I drip a lot. When people blow me, I feel good.
Balloon.
What? What?
That does. Alright, pass.
She not think about the question, David. Alright, so I come in a lot of different sizes. Sometimes I drip a lot. And when someone blow me, I feel good.
It's a person or something or a
Oh,
thing.
we can't get nothing, man. We can't, you have to just think about it.
No, we wonder if it's something like, you know?
A something.
It's something like
And it's a
somebody-
thing.
It's a thing. Oh boy. Yo. It's when somebody blow, you feel good.
Yeah.
Balloon?
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Come in different sizes, drip a lot.
When you blow me, I feel nice.
Me still pass.
Really, nigga?
What woman have 2 of and a cow have 4 of?
Breast.
Breast? Alright. Alright, so the first one I ask you about me going dry and hard but come back out wet and soft, it chewing gum or bubble gum. You understand? And the next one now about what me ask? Oh, so I come in different sizes, drip a lot and when I blow it feels good. You must know how that it go.
Balloon, they come to mind.
Balloon chocolate. Alright, and then now the last one you say it's breast and it is leg, not breast. Alright, so that was it, simple and easy.
Repeat the question again.
I come in a lot of different sizes. Sometimes I drip a lot and sometimes when people blow me I feel good.
Different sizes, drip a lot. Feels good. Whistle something? Whistle.
What's that?
Whistle.
What are you?
Whistle. I don't know.
Whistle?
Yeah, that's.
Oh boy. Penis?
Oh, hell no!
I come in different sizes, drip a lot and when I blow it feels good. You must know how that it go.
Balloon, they come to mind.
Balloon chocolate. Woman has 2 of and a cow have 4 of.
What a woman has 2 of and a car for. What a woman has 2 of and a car for.
Yeah. What a woman has 2 of and a cow have 4 of.
Breast?
Think again.
A foot?
Yeah.
Breast.
What a woman have 2 of and a cow have 4 of.
Foot.
Alright, what a woman has 2 of and a cow has 4 of.
Breast.
Oh my God!
Why is a breast?
Because the cow milkers are 4. No 4. Them have 4 nipples pan the cow, 2 pan the woman.
It's on our feet, one of them.
And come on, that good.
Alright, pass you one of them.